I'm Deathlake. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a handwritten style effect onto the words to make it appear. To start off with, you could either type out the text that you wish to have it revealed in After Effects, or if you want a certain image or certain text, handwritten text, you can draw it out in Photoshop, then exporting it into After Effects as a layer to have the effect, and then I'll show you how to actually apply the effects once you imported in the layer. Type in the effects and presets box on the right side, search up strokes, generate, it's from the generate subtitle, on the animation presets, and then drag and drop it onto the layer that you wish to have the effect. Next you use the pen tool where you can see at the top, and then you from the direction you want the strokes to appear, and where you want to have the strokes start to appear and end, that's where you put the orange line symbolises the path that it will take for it to start and end. You can put as many points as you want. Example, if you want to do an S, you have put more points so it can do a curve. Next you want to flood the layer that you want it to appear. For example, for brush size, I just made it as high as possible, so you just flood the entire layer. And then for it to appear, change it to path, for example, path to mask 1, so you can actually see it all flooded to the white colour. This is to show the visibility. You don't actually need a layer. For example, if you were doing it from a custom directly on the program, this is what it looks like. But however, if you want to show the image, your own image that you put you place the path on, you select on paint style and then reveal original image, and you won't see the white path anymore, but that will symbolize how much of the section will appear. There is two ways to animate this section. For example, you put it on you could stay onto the effects controls. You want to start off on 0 for it to slowly appear, so you key that point, and then you key another point further along where you put a 100%. I'll show you more clearly when I go onto the layers controls, and you can see where it is at the points. This is one way of keying the animation. It's on the effects controls on the side, but you can also do it on the layer. To animate the strokes, you go into the layer, so it's in effects, strokes, and then you want to select the end section. So you start off with 0 and then you go to 100. To key these layers, I'm going to show you from scratch. To key these layers, you press onto this section, to this bit. For example, it's on 0 now, and then for example, I want to put it to example 0.07. So put that, you press that little diamond shape and then put it to 100. So this is what it should look like if you put it 0 to 100. So it will slowly